again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 16 by 20 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula available on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is right under the video. I am going to spread some black paint on the ends of this canvas, and then I'm going to concentrate on using some of the Meeden paint that I've just recently put onto my Amazon link. And if you use my regular recipe, which is Floetrol and GAC 800 that you'll find under Show More under the video, with a little bit of distilled water to thin, you will find some amazing cells happening. I think I'm going to offset this so it's not completely 50-50 down the middle. I'm trying to change it up. Every time I do it, I'm trying to add some new element or make it different. But I'd like to make it easy enough for more people than just me to do. So pardon me if my experiments are... I don't know what's the word. I got no idea. Extensive? So this is my Meeden paint. And I like to give myself a puddle. And there are quite a few bubbles if you don't let it sit, which I do recommend mixing your paint the day before. It's basically a catalyst. Some of it does show through, but a lot of it goes away. I don't mind organic shapes. I do have a variety of tools. That came from the local church resale shop, from the kitchen section. I figure it's a great stand-in for a regular palette knife, and it's probably cost me 50 cents. Part of me just wants to swipe this right down right now. I'm going to throw that right in my bucket, and I'm going to indulge myself. I might indulge myself many times, but I'm going to give myself a nice heavy layer, line, puddle, whatever you want to call it, of the Venetian blue. And then I'm going to grab something like a swipe card. And I may add lots more colors. And swipe again. I might even do that right now. I have some Priscilla Prism Pour from Color Art. And some other colors standing by. And when I say that I think it will be fun, I mean it. Because I am definitely having fun with these colors. I want some purple, and I'm going to use the Folk Art Purple Flash. Maybe I'll use a smaller card. I don't know what that thing is, but it's got to go. I want some gold. Just going to use my Meeden and hope that it works right over there, besides the paint on. I'm just totally playing with whatever inspiration I get in a given moment. Using up my paint residuals. I kind of want some orange in there. I'm thinking maybe the orange gold is a good solution. I want to do something up there yet. I wonder how little of this Meeden paint I could get away with and still have it work. I still want some orange. I'm not sure I can get away with it, but I guess I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to clean my card off first, though. Like officially on my studio rag and everything. So I didn't shake this up earlier. Maybe if I put it right in the paint. That's pretty cool. So there's over 96,000 subscribers on my channel, and if you're one of them, thank you for being here. And if you're not, please be welcome to stay. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe also. So I think this is just going to be what it is. I'm going to leave it alone. Except for what I just did. Yep, that's good. I say that, but you can't trust me. I want some more of this. And I like the shape of things. I like the composition. I like that it's kind of loose. I'm tempted to go ahead and give myself a little bit more Venetian blue, but it does usually sink. Except for when I use it with the Meeden. Which, did I mention that was on my Amazon link underneath the link tree, underneath the video? Along with my Teespring clothing, which is, if you ever find a design of mine that you like, and you'd like to see it translated into Oliver print t-shirt or Oliver print legging, just ask me and I will do my best. I think I need to blend this over here. Let's just use a little bit of a skewer action. Is that making me happy? That is making me pretty happy. I have to tell you what. I love all those cells. Those cells are great. Do I want anything else? Ah! I don't want a lot. Maybe just a little. So, I love this composition. A lot. Excuse me for being giddy and foolish. And all those other things I am, like crazy. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 1800 videos. What was I going to do? They're on all playlists, created playlists on my YouTube channel. You can find them there if you look. Do I dare? Well, gotta break your fingers in sometime. Yeah, I know. That was maybe not my best move. But that's okay, because I'll fix it. I hope. So, what did I not tell you guys? Everything. Anything. There's an exhibition video, includes the monthly prize drawing winner's choices on the end screen in the last 20 seconds of every video. If you check it out and make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, I prefer PayPal, you will be automatically entered. Please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. When you share my videos, you help my status on YouTube. Boy, I really want to put some orange over there. Do I want to do that? No. I'm going to be good. It's kind of sublime, right like it is. So I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and also, and especially right now, to release patterns. And I'm loving those patterns. I'm loving these colors. I'm loving the whole Meeden experience is just floating my boat like I can't tell you. I'm going to have to do some skies and see if I can appreciate the results. So what have I not told you? If you go to the YouTube community channel, you'll find tomorrow's video. If you check my Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links on the on my link tree, Pinterest is where I put videos. Instagram is where I post daily when I'm working, and Twitter is just superfluous. Actually, I post videos there. I have 2 books on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is under the link tree. And if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me afford some art supplies. I have 2 books there also called Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They are volumes 1 and 2. I think I mentioned, if you have questions, please ask me. If you're looking for a Facebook group to join, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and we'd love to have you. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for those of you who might want to check the YouTube artworks that I have edited and added to the albums there. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is still a pixels.com Find in America landing spot, and that will show you over 1,400 items, and they can each be made into around 100. Seems like it anyway. I'm not promising, but there's all kinds of variations and sliding scales. You can make the design larger and smaller, and you can add whatever color you want in a lot of cases, and it's definitely worth cruising over there and check. Oh, my email address is below the link tree, and that's where you can contact me if you have an interest in painting. Just give me the hashtag in the title, and if you have an interest in taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, that's also the place to join me. I'm going to zoom in. Look at those cute cells. They are so cute. Good colors, cool shape. I love it. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to do some critters soon. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I love you all. Bye for now. Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Don't forget there's 1,800 videos, all on playlists, organized by the 100 and by topic and genre. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.